Hello,
Yeah, where are you from?
from Philippines.
What's your name?
I am Nix.
Sorry?
Nix. My name is Nix.
Oh, Nix, may I talk to you? Could you please stop the music?
What? Sorry.
Could you please stop the music? May I ask you some question? Is that okay?
Okay. Go on.
Okay, so where do you live in Philippines? I mean, which city?
I'm from Bulacan.
Bulacan? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So how far is it Manila? Do you know Manila? Capital?
yeah. Um, it's 2 hours from 2 hours, 3 hours.
2 or 3 hours by
It's
bus?
it's a part. What? Sorry.
Uh, you need 2 hours. If you want to go by bus, then you need 2 hours.
Yeah, it's three, not two.
Oh, okay.
Rather.
I got it. So what do you do? Eh,
What time I do?
Yeah,
Like
like what do you do for living? I mean, do you study or work?
I'm a working student.
Okay. So what do you study?
I'm a first year college, information technology. My course is
Cool.
information technology.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah,
You,
yeah.
are you still studying or what?
Yeah, I'm still studying. I'm still student. So I'm studying BA, and my major is English literature.
That's good. That's good.
And your English pretty good.
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yeah, Bangladesh. Do you know?
Huh? Bangladesh.
Yeah. Do you know about
Okay.
Bangladesh?
Sorry?
Do you know anything about my country?
Oh no,
Okay. So what time is it now over
I'm not
there?
familiar.
Okay.
It's already 8:30 a.m. here.
So why is it dark over there?
Sorry?
Is it morning? Is it morning?
Yeah, it's morning.
So I said, why is it dark? I mean, your room. Why is it?
Dark because because of my light. My light is so dim, so that's why it's dark here.
Oh, okay, I got it. So it's nice to meet you. Nice.
Yeah. Nice meeting you too. So good luck to your study.
Yeah, best wishes for
Good
you
luck on
too.
your daily life.
Yeah.
Yes. Have a have a good day. Thank
Have a
you.
good day too.
Okay. Hi guys. Can you follow him and subscribe his YouTube channel? And if you want to talk about English or you want to learn English, just talk him, okay?
Yeah, thank you. And you can mention my YouTube channel name as well.
His YouTube his YouTube channel is Mr. Paul. Here.
Yeah.
You see that, Mr. Paul.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.